just blowing up my WhatsApp since June. I would assume that a customer may have used them at some point and they got our number, the customer used our number as a contact number. And so they have just been advertising wigs and stuff to me for the longest. Lots of female hair. I guess that's their core business. I've been ignoring them for the longest. I guess I can't download that anymore. I've been ignoring them for the longest. They're selling some nice advertisement. As you can see with the wig right here. I don't know nothing about wig, but that looks kind of cool to me. It's bouncy like real human hair. They got this one 10-inch promotion for $32. They're showing how the hair move, how it bounce. I mean, if they keep blowing up my inbox, I got to give them a plug. I asked them for their URL. They send their URL. It's an Alibaba store. So I guess it's good quality here for cheap. I guess. I don't know. I'm not promoting either. I just guess. I will, these are all $20, $30 wigs. I will add the URL. If you purchase it and they're any good, let me know. So I could do a follow-up video letting everybody know what quality product they have. I'll add the URL here on the WhatsApp status, and if you're interested, you could go ahead and give them a try. I don't know nothing about them, don't know anything about Woman Wig. They've just been blowing up our inbox, so we assume that a customer shopped there and use our number as the contact number, so they've been WhatsApping us like crazy.